Hello everyone, I am Saitech and welcome back to Charles Saitech. In today's video, to talk about the top 5 offline games you can download from the Play Store. Yes friends, finally it is a video for you all. So a lot of users already asked me this kind of question that can you please make a videos on the top 5 applications and top 5 games and especially offline games. So that is a request which I got right now. So this is a video friends where I did gather 5 games which doesn't even require any kind of connection, no Wi-Fi, no mobile data required during this time of testing. So let's get started without wasting any time. And the first game is the Solar Smash. So I'll try to explain you friends what is the gameplay and how is the graphics. So that is what my main motive of this kind of video. And in case if you are interested in this kind of series, so make sure to let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I can plan this kind of top 5 applications and top 5 games, top 5 wallpapers, so different customization options as well. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts. And in this small Solar Smash, the main motive of this is to you will get the different planets. As you can see, you can actually click this button and you will get different planets here, and here you do get the different weapons. So the thing is that you can actually destroy any planet you want. Yes, actually you can do that. Let me go to the Mars and let me destroy the Mars, and you can select different weapons, as you can see. So when you try to drop the weapons on the planet, it will get destroyed, as you can see friends. Exactly, the animation looks really good. It looks really great. Let me to use our Earth map. Let me to show you exactly, because right now on the Earth you can actually see really good. Let me to drop exactly in this middle. Look at the animations. Look at the animation and the color, as you can see. Not only that, you can actually slow the animations. You can actually slow everything, the animations as well. So you can get really cool effects by slowing it the animations. Let me to show you. So is the option which you got slow motion. Now everything will be running in the slow motion only. Let me to fire the weapons. So from the cross you will be able to see, as you can see friends, from here you can see everything in the slow motion coming, all the weapons, as you can see. So the reason is because I did click the slow motion option. So you do get plenty of options friends, lot of weapons and so much of customization. Even you can fast forward as well. Even you can speed up the process, everything, as you can see here. And let me to exactly show you the next things. So these are the asteroids. You do get the asteroids in the comments. You can hit the planet and you can see the population, how much it's destroying. So real-time statistics also you can see about the complete data as well. That's another thing which you got here, as you can see exactly. And you do get the different sound effects as well. So whenever they're trying to hit the planet, you get that sound effects. As you can see, even the sound effects, you do get really good sound effects, as you can see. So make sure to try this game friends, which is a Solar Smash. So you do get really pretty good options in this game. Absolutely, that's the first game which I'll definitely require, which doesn't require any kind of connection of the internet. Next game is Crowd City. Let me open the Crowd City. So you can get all this application, all games completely from the Play Store. And this very simple game friends, which is really good and which is very addictive as well. I did like this kind of game. So basically you need to walk in the street and you need to catch the other white persons, as you can see, white people. So you need to make them to change your color. So in this way the person who has got the highest color will be the clear winner. So let me to as you can see. So this is a very small city where there will be small white labeled people. They will be walking here and there and you need to catch them. So right now my population is about 10 population, as you can see friends, 10 population. So if the other player who is surrounded, if their population is really less, I can actually take all of those population with me. So right now mine only 13.14. So let me show you, as you can see, right now it's increased to 23 and 25, and there is a 24 over there. And if I meet their population, I can actually change them to convert into my color. As you can see friends, in this way you'll be able to increase your complete crowd. So this is a really good addictive application. Yes, so which I did like mainly in this phone, which is really great. As you can see friends, the animations. So you can see my count is increasing right now. So 51 and 54, and you can see the other players' numbers as well. So in the sideways with different colors. So each player will be having different colors. So if you come across them, so my count is right now 80. If their count is 60, then I can take complete their crowd with me. I can convert them. So in this way, the winners will be declared. As you can see, other players, they do have the 160 and 140 as well. Their crowd is really big right now. So you should not come across other crowd which is really in the big number. That will be definitely taking your crowd with them. So this is a really good game, friends, which you can definitely try, which is a very offline game only. I think there is no music with this. Maybe I did turn off, I think so. But ultimately, as you can see the numbers of the other people. It's close to 277 and 128, as you can see here. So in this way, the winners will be declared. The person who has got the highest numbers. As you can see, this is a really cool game. You can just give it a go if you want. That's the second game. Our next game is the Stake Ball. Let me open this game. This is also another addictive game which I personally did like the game. And one more thing is that with the Stake Ball, you do get the vibrations. So you do get really good haptic feedbacks as well whenever the ball bounces to the surface. This is a very basic game which you can definitely understand, friends. You just need to go to the bottom without touching this black labels, as you can see, without touching those bricks. And the only advantage which I did feel is the haptic vibrations. So in case if your phone has got really good haptic feedbacks, then this will be a really good effect while playing in those type of phones. So that's fantastic. As you can see, friends, right now it's really cool to have this kind of game playing. So in this way you'll be able to cross different levels. So that's the third game, which is a Stake Ball. So next, fourth game is going to be really interesting, which is the War of Rafts. So you can see. So right now I'm trying to change the different wallpapers because I didn't install live wallpaper. So if you want to download the live wallpaper, there's a playlist which I've created. So make sure to check the playlist. So this is a really very simple game, friends, which is really good. So here you do your single army, as you can see, and you do have the one small boat only. And you need to increase the size of your boat by catching another boat, and there will be, you can take the help from other people as well in case if you want. So you need to catch all this kind of objects and all this kind of power, so which will be helpful for you. So the area is really restricted, friends. As soon as you got your crowd, you can definitely do the match. As you can see, in this way you need to fight with the other player, and after you win, you can take their ship with you. In this way you need to build your ship by collecting all the army as well, by collecting the points and by collecting the weapons. And in this way you can improve your team. As you can see, the area is very limited, so you don't get that much of big area to move around. So it's very kind of limited only at this point. Now there's another team over there and they got plenty big army, as you can see, friends. So they got big army, so I did not win the match. So I need to build the army very big. Only then I will be able to survive this kind of competition. Let me need to build my army very fast. As you can see, I'm trying to collect all the powers. Now I'll be able to survive in the match. Let me need to collect more army. I'm trying to build the army. As you can see, so my ship is getting built up. Let me try to take the army. Yes. So this is a really great game, friends, which you can definitely try and which doesn't require any kind of internet as well. And the final game, which is the Shadow Fighter. Let's move to the final game, which is Shadow Fighter. So this is another cool, interesting game, and this is a game which supports the 120 FPS. Yes, this game actually supports 120 FPS. You can see the real-time FPS meter, it increasing up to 120 FPS. This is a really great game. You can definitely try this kind of game, absolutely, to experience this kind of really smooth animations which you get. This is a very basic game which you get different weapons and you need to fight with them. But only thing that this game actually supports the 120 FPS. That is the reason I'm recommending this kind of game. So which is offline and which doesn't require any kind of internet connection as well, which is a Shadow Fighter. Let me need to use the power. As you can see, friends, it's a very cool game. So thank you for watching this video, friends. In case if you like this kind of series, let me know in the comment section below. Definitely I'll be able to do this kind of best games and best wallpapers, best applications of the week. This kind of series I can definitely start it. In case if you're interested, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to comment below, friends, what is your favorite offline game out of this 5. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to check the playlist for more information. Bye.